Essence identity means the identity mathematical formula involving Fibonacci matrix, Fibonacci number. We know that Fibonacci numbers 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34. The essence identity, what is essence identity means? The negative terms of what is identity. The negative terms, identity what? Identity means ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ದಾಗ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ದಾಗ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆದ ಟರ್ಮ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆದ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದೇ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ. ಎಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಜನರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ the general formula of essence identity is fn plus 1 into fn minus 1 minus fn square equal to minus 1 power n. The general formula of essence identity is fn plus 1 fn minus 1 minus fn power square equal to minus 1 whole square. How it comes means fn plus 1 fn minus 1 minus fn square equal to minus 1 power n. How it comes means we know that the Fibonacci matrix, the general right fn equal to f1 power n. You can write also fn1 power n. We know take this matrix and find the general formula of essence identity. Fn equal to f1 power n. The formula is fn plus 1 fn minus 1 equal to what is the value of f1 is 1110 over n. Determines this matrix is generally we know that how to determine this a equal to a b c d. In this matrix determines is equal to ad minus cd. Apply this determinants in this matrix fn plus 1 into fn minus 1 cross multiplication fn into fn equal to 1 into 0 0 1 into minus 1 power n f minus f1 into fn into fn square equal to minus 1 power n. In this the essence identity general formula the negative terms of identity, the number is same, that the identity is different. The negative terms identity is minus plus the number. How it is means the example take any number and for example 2, the n is 2. In this general formula fill the 2 fn plus 1 fn minus 1 minus fn whole square equal to minus 1. The identity is n equal to 2. 2 plus 1 f 2 minus 1 f 2 square equal to f1 value 1 minus f2 value 1 square equal to minus 1 whole square equal to plus 1. You can write plus 1 f 2 into 1 2 minus 1 equal to 1 2 minus 1 equal to 1. LHS equal to RHS. The term of second is plus negative value ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ದಾಗ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಂದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ -1 ಪವರ್ n. ಈಗ n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ತಗೋದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಇದು ಇವೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ the term is positive and odd number ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ you can say negative terms. And for example 3 ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ the term is -1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ದಾಗ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಅದೇ ನಾವು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you can directly say positive term. The uses of essence identity is the essence identity is obtained using the mathematical proofs involving the Fibonacci numbers, and it's helpful in establishing properties of Fibonacci numbers and proving the other identities related to them. It's using the algorithm of optimization.